Welcome to First Time Casting Adventures channel. Please subscribe for more videos.
Y'all guys remember the name Obalus? What y'all see in my hand today? Oh, first of all, hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. My name is Clyde Demery, and my channel name is First Time Casting Adventures. This morning I am doing a reel review for the Obalus fishing reel. George, this video's for you, buddy. Now, what I'm doing, a couple of weeks ago, I saw this guy turn me on, Backlash Fisherman turned me on to George with Obalus fishing reels and equipment and stuff like that. So I said, okay, well, I'm gonna see what these guys got. So I got in touch with them, got a few, and this right here is gonna be the review on how it casts, how it handles, how it retrieves. So y'all guys stay tuned, okay? And let's see what happens. Cast on the Obalus reel is quiet, it's smooth. You don't even have to ride your thumb you don't have to really ride your thumb on the spool because it pretty much self-stops. Now, keep this in mind. This is the 8.1.1, so your retrieve capability is pretty fast, so you have to remember to slow it down just a little bit. But as far as the casting is awesome on it. Casts out smooth, retrieve smooth. And I'm trying to catch a fish. And this reel really has a long distance cast on it, so that's a plus. How many know when you're fishing from the bank, you want to try to get out there as far as possible? Like I said, it's low profile, so if people have smaller hands, fits the hand pretty good. Pretty smooth, good cast. And man, I'm really digging this green and black, y'all, because this right here really looks good. It's got somewhat of a speed handle on it, so it's not the smallest one, but it's not the biggest one. So just like I said, it's an 8-1-1, so you really have to be careful on your retrieve because it will bring the bait into you pretty good, pretty fast, put it that way. But as far as the handling, see, it's a good grip. You can get a good grip on it. And this right here is for, you want your fingers to rest upon, so if anything do happen and you have to make that really hard hook set, you don't have to worry about the rod actually slipping out your hand. But as far as the handling, the capability, the casting out, the retrieving, man, I tell you, it is in a class by itself, and it's a good class. So, hey, Obalus, I want to tell you thank you so much for letting me use your products, doing a review on it. I tell you, it competes with the best ones, I tell you. And you guys, you will not be disappointed and you won't be sorry. But y'all guys, make sure you get one because and try it out for yourself. Don't let me just tell you. Go ahead on and get one. Get in touch with them guys at Obalus. Go ahead on, get you a few, man, throw them on your rods, and hey, you'll be satisfied. But George, I want to tell you thank you, man. I can't tell you thank you enough for allowing me to use your products and do a good review on it. Hey, I'm gonna get to casting, and I'm gonna see if I can catch any fish out of you guys while I'm out here. It's 36 degrees out here in North Carolina. But that don't stop me and doing what a man like to do, and that's me, and I like to fish. So let's turn the GoPro around a little bit. Let's see if we can get on a few more casts, okay? Oh, and I forgot to tell you, by the way, this one has 40-pound braid on it. I like braid, but after I cast this one, this one right here has I think it's 14-pound fluorocarbon on it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the bait off of that one, put it on this one, and I'm gonna cast it out a few times because just like I said, I have tried both of them. Now, I'm a braid man by choice, but I'm not knocking anybody who like monofilament, fluorocarbon, or whatever the case may be. But me, I'm just a straight up braid person. I've been using braid ever since we used the 120-pound on fishing poles. See, that's I was brought up using braid. And but I'm gonna put the bait up here and I'm gonna cast it out on this 14-pound fluorocarbon, and I'll get the same results because I already done tried it. So let's do that. Now, just like I said, this one right here, this is the Obalus reel number 2, and this one here has the 14-pound fluorocarbon on it. Wow, look at that. I'm telling you, you would not be disappointed with these Obalus reels, you guys, I'm telling you. Even with the fluorocarbon, it performs, acts still the same way. Thought I had one. Okay, let's turn this around further. I think you can see me, but let's turn it around just a little further. I am a braid man by choice, but do you see how smooth it is, even with the fluorocarbon? I mean, anything you put on these reels, it'll cast it out for you, and they perform well. These things actually, they pretty much just stop right by themselves. So you can ride the thumb on it, break that center, it slows it down pretty good. By the time it hits the water, it's already ready to stop itself. Like I said, I don't know how much more longer I'm gonna be out here, y'all. It's 36 degrees and it's frost out here everywhere. So that white stuff that you're seeing is actually frost. So George, just like I said again, I want to tell you thank you, man. I appreciate your products. Hey, you got an A in my book, you guys. The Obalus reels, pretty good reels. But we're going to see what goes on from here, okay? Y'all guys have a good one. Hope you enjoy the review, George, because, man, I'm really enjoying it myself by doing this. Y'all have a good one.